how to buy Pikachu token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check their Telegram channel too and check their community. As you can see, they have 1,100 members there. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 19 hours ago and increased by 3,000% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token trended number 3 in the BNB Smart Chain section. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address and open your BITGET wallet for that, as you can see. After that, from the top right corner, click here and select the BNB chain network. Now, click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, this is our token. So after that, click here and click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching for your token that you just added called Pikachu. So after you find it, what you need to do is just click on it and now click here on swap. Now make sure to switch it from here. Now from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and now you can type here how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see here. So after that, click here on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Pikachu token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.